To use Apple Pay in Australia, you will need an eligible Apple device, such as an iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. First, make sure your device is running the latest version of its operating system. Next, you need to add a credit or debit card to Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card, and follow the prompts to enter your card details. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done via a text message or a phone call. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make payments in stores, online, or in apps. To make a payment in a store, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay to make online purchases. When checking out online, look for the Apple Pay button and select it as your payment method. You will then be prompted to authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. In addition to making payments, Apple Pay also allows you to send and receive money using the Messages app. To send money, open the Messages app and start a new conversation with the person you want to send money to. Tap the Apple Pay button and enter the amount you want to send. To receive money, you will need to set up a bank account in the Wallet app. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select the type of account you want to add, such as a bank account, and follow the prompts to enter your account details. Using Apple Pay in Australia is a convenient and secure way to make payments, send and receive money, and manage your finances. With its ease of use and wide acceptance, Apple Pay is a great option for anyone looking to simplify their payment process.